Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden ceiling ideas, different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts with wood, light and dark colors uses with wood, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas you can see. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wood ceiling ideas, stylish ceiling ideas. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy. Most beautiful, most trendy, top 50 designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos, you can decorate your room, your lounge with beautiful and stylish wooden ceiling designs. Every part of your house you can decorate with beautiful and trendy wooden ceiling designs and stylish ideas. Every design is most beautiful, most trendy. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful ceilings if you know wooden work. Top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wooden projects. So friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden ceiling designs, wooden ceiling ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.